Welcome to Zach's Fitness. Guys, I'm going to do a little tutorial on leg extensions because it's a misunderstood movement. Okay? Guys, you have to create some stabilization in the lower legs prior to doing a leg extension. Otherwise, you put all that stress on the knees. The knees is a hinge. There shouldn't be any pressure on those knees because that is your pivot point. So what I suggest doing is at the ankle joint, turn your toes up. By doing that, you're going to cause the tibialis muscle. Watch how my tibialis muscles flex. Watch how they flex as I turn my toes up. Now that creates some stabilization in the lower leg, protecting the knee from below. Now as I do my leg extension, guys, I come up and you can see the quadriceps, they flex. Now you have stability on the upper leg, protecting the knee joint, and you have stability on the lower leg, protecting the knee joint. And you can create isolation right on the hams, the quadriceps, the front thighs. And guys, most machines have these handles on the side, and that's to pull yourself down into the seat as you make your leg extension. Okay? And you want to incorporate your abs as well. Okay? When you raise up, tighten your abs up or pull them in. Okay? Do something to cause those abs to respond or react to this movement that you're doing with your legs. If you condition the abs to do things like that, every movement you do in the gym will incorporate your abs in it. Again, guys, thanks for tuning in to Zach's Fitness. It's just a little tidbit from me to you, from my heart to yours. You have a great day. Peace.